In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these chemistry problems under classification of carbon atoms. So guys, we have about 17 to 20 potential questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, how many isomers has this compound? So the number of isomers will be 3. I've already solved this on paper, so I got it to be 3, option B. That's the answer. The next potential question is this one. It says, how many carbon atoms does the parent chain contain? So this parent chain contains 3 carbon atoms. Our 1, 2, 3. So the right answer is option D, 3. The next question will be this one. It says, which of the following factors characterize members of the same molecular series? Successive members undergo changes in molecular formula by CH to yes. So guys, this is the right answer already. The correct option is option A. That is for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, the IUPAC name of the compound is, so the IUPAC name of this compound we have here, this is 2-methyl-but-2-N. Okay, so we have 2 methyl group here, so the naming is 2-methyl-but-2-N. yeah, so that's the right answer, option D. The next question will be this one. It says, a colorless hydrocarbon with a sweet smell undergoes substitution reaction. The hydrocarbon is likely to be ester. So ester is a hydrocarbon that has a sweet smell. So the right answer is option A. The next question will be this one. It says following compound are hydrocarbons except, so the one that is an exception here is methylpropanoate, which is an ester. So that's it for hydrocarbons. Are usually compounds that are made up of carbon and hydrogen, but esters are not only made up of carbon and hydrogen. They have other elements that still make it up. Okay, so it's an exception, this ester here. The right answer is option A. The next question with this one. It says, consider the following structures of organic compounds. Which of the following statements about the structure is not correct? So have similar physical properties that are correct are saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons, no, so this is not correct. And members of the same molecular series here, that option D are geometric isomers here. So the exception here is B, they are not saturated hydrocarbons. Alright, so the right answer is option B, guys. So that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says the name of the compound is, so the name of this compound will be 2,2-dimethyl pentane, option B. Alright, so that's the name of this compound. We have 2,2-dimethyl pentane here. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question is this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says, what is the IUPAC name of the following compound? So the IUPAC name of this compound will be, this will give us, we have 2-chloro-3-methylbutane. yeah, that's the answer. You start from your left to the name. So we have chlorine element here, the chlorine group, so we have methyl group here, so this will give us 2-chloro-3-methylbutane. So that's it for this question. Next question of this one. It says, what is the IUPAC name of the compound with the structure below? So guys, this will give us our 1,2-dibromoethane. yeah, that's the right answer, option D. 1,2-dibromoethane is the right naming for this compound. Next question will be, remember we have 2 bromine elements here. 2 bromine elements here, so that's why we want 2-dibromoethane. Next question will be this one. It says the type of isomerism exhibited by cis and trans isomers is, so it's simple geometrical isomerism. Alright, so that's it for this question. Very important. Take into this question, guys. Next question, this one. It says, if the third member of a homologous series is this, the fifth member will be, so this one we have here. So this is our propane. So it belongs to the alkane family. So the fifth member will be our pentane. Option D. Yeah, that's the right answer. The next question will be this one. You see how many carbon atoms are present in one molecule of 2-methyl propane. So guys, the Number of carbon atoms will be 4. I have already expressed this on paper here, so the right answer will be option C, which is 4. Right, so that's it for this question. When I express it on paper, I've done it already with my rough sheet here. The next question with this one, it says use this structure to answer question below. So you say what is the impact name of the compound with this structure? So this will give us our, remember I start from left to name, so this will give us our 2-methyl butane. Yeah, so option A is the right answer to this question. 2-methyl butane. Not start from right to name. Alright, start from left from this place and proceed forward. So the methyl group is the second carbon atom here when you are learning from your left. So that's 2-methyl butane, option A. The next question will be this one. So it says which of the following pairs of compound belong to the same homologous series? So let's check, guys. Let's check. So it's not option A. No. So guys, I think I've seen the answer to this question. So the right answer is option B. They both belong to the alkane family. So this is our ethane, and these are butane. Option B, the right answer. And the last question before we end this video with this one, it says the pair of compounds that belong to the same homologous series is, and this is the question just finished attempting, I think. So let's check what will be the answer now. The answer to this question will be our option C. So this is our ethane, this is our butane. Let's check the people question just answered. Yeah, almost the same thing basically. So here the right option is option C. So guys, this basically can be problems involving classification of carbon compounds for chemistry practice, which about 17 to 20 questions for this topic. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. May I feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions as regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. You'll be getting premium information that help with yourself in your next exam you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.